Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you create a repository and push your code, push your project. It's pretty easy, but a lot of you guys I know that don't know how to do that, and I'm here to help you with that. So first off, I'm gonna assume that you already have Git in your machine, but if you don't have, you just install it. It's pretty easy, and you will need GitHub account. So you need to create one. It's pretty easy as well. I don't want to waste your time with that. And once you install Git, you need to run a few commands, and you need to set your username and you need to set your email. These two commands right here. Remember, you need to change this in green to your username and this below to your email, right? And you run that in the git bash. So you just look for git bash. Where is it? Here. Just run these two commands in here, right? All right. Now we need to create a repository. So just go to your profile, go to repositories right here, and click in this green button. Now you can give it a name. I'm gonna call it next project. You can add a description if you want to. I don't wanna do that. You can change the privacy. It is public, but if you can set it to be private if you want to. I'm gonna leave it public. Doesn't matter right now. And clicking create repository. Now you need to run a few commands in order to init this repository in our machine in order to connect to that remote repository on GitHub. So now you just need to I'm using VS Code, by the way. You need to open up a terminal. Then I'm gonna get into the project folder, meetups. I'm just getting into the projects folder. All right. Now we need to run git init. You need to run git add dot. I'm using dot because I want to add everything. But if you want to add a single file or a single folder, you can use git and that folder name. But in this case, I'm gonna stick with dot. So git add dot is gonna add everything, and git commit -m, and you can write something in here. I'm gonna write get started. Doesn't matter. Press enter. Now we need to connect this local repository to that remote repository in GitHub. And remember, we have this command right here. So let's copy that and paste down here. Press enter, and all we have to do right now is to run git push origin main. And pay attention, because remember, we don't change the branch name. Our branch name is called master, and you need to use that. But if you are using a main branch, a branch named main, you can use main, but in this case I'm using master. So let's change that. Press OK. Alright, there we go. Let's go to our profile and see if our project are there. Is there. There you go. Here it is. Here it is. So let's see. All our folders are in here. And there you go. That's it. I hope you guys like this video, and see you in the next video.